yummy. Wow.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing for you a frozen mango banana drink. So it's summer and I know the kids are at home, and to give them a really refreshing drink, it's natural. Banana and mango is natural, so I'm gonna whip this up for you. So I have mango and I have some one ripe banana cut up, and I have some ice in my blender, and I have some soy milk. So you can use orange juice or any juice you prefer if you don't want to use the milk. So I'm gonna get started, guys. So guys, it's mango season, so if you don't like to eat mangoes, you can also blend them up and make your juice, your salad, your smoothie, whatever it is. So now I'm gonna add the fruits to the ice in the blender, and then I'm gonna add the soy milk, add a little water, and then blend. And there you have it, guys, all done. My frozen mango banana drink, all natural for the summer. So I'm gonna glass this now, guys. Wow, look at it, guys. Look at the color, the iciness of it. It looks refreshing, guys. Look at it. Wow, I can't wait to taste it. Oh my god, guys, this is so refreshing. You should make it. You should make it for your children. It tastes really good, and it's all natural. No artificial flavor, all natural in this drink. So go ahead, guys, and try it. You will love it. The kids will love it. So nice. So guys, I'm leaving this right here for you to try it. Go ahead and try it for the children. Guess what? It's nice, it's refreshing, it's natural. The heat is on. So go ahead and try it for your children, guys. They will love it. Alright? So can't stop tasting it, guys. So refreshing. It's my frozen mango banana drink. No preservative, no additives. Go ahead and make this frozen drink, guys. The fruits are regular fruits, so go ahead. Mango and banana, two nice fruits. Go ahead and make it for your children, guys. They will love it. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this nice drink, guys. And remember, guys, before you leave, remember to subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Okay, guys, thank you so much for the support. So until next time, see you in my next video. Bye.